Most people hear water feature and think backyard decoration, but this project was something completely different. 2 weeks in Missouri, massive scale, tons of moving parts, and honestly, pictures don't even do it justice. So I bet you're wondering what brought me out to Missouri. Well, that's easy. Brian did. Brian from Team Aquascape. So in all seriousness, the reason Shawn and I went out to Missouri was because Brian from Team Aquascape had this massive backyard waterfall to build, and he recruited the most amazing team on planet Earth to build it. And Shawn and I were just super fortunate to get invited to help these guys build this incredible water feature. So when Brian called, this is basically what I got. Hey Shawn, would you like to build a waterfall? And I said, Brian, that sounds awesome. What do I need to know? And he said, well, it's gonna have 60,000 gallons of water and it's over 16 feet of elevation change. And that's basically all I got. So I knew Brian wanted me to help on an amazing project. And if Brian was involved, it was gonna be out of this world. So I just said, yeah. And Shawn and I got on an airplane, flew out to Missouri with really no idea what we were getting ourselves into. So this build was massive. To put it into perspective, your typical backyard water feature has like 10 tons of stone, maybe less. There's plenty of water features with more, but that's kind of your average. This had over 400 tons of boulders. So this was a 3-week project. And when Shawn and I arrived, they were already 1 week into construction. So there was quite a bit already done. They had the entire thing excavated, had the liner in, and a bunch of the rock work had already been started. And it was mind-blowing to see what they had accomplished in 6 working days before we even got there. It was very, very impressive. Keep in mind, this is a collaboration. This is not our build. We were only invited to help and be part of this amazing team. So there's 9 people in total on this project. We have Jack from Atlantis Water Gardens, Alan from Decker Pondscapes, Ralph and Nick from Pondscapes AZ, Chris, who's a native to Missouri from Nature's Recreations. There's also Matt, who's just started out getting into water features. He came to help and learn. He also lives in Missouri. Then of course, Shawn, myself, and oh, don't forget Brian from Team Aquascape. So the hardest part about this project was building a monstrous, massive $1.1 million waterfall in 16 working days. That is insane. That was the hardest part. So on this size build, or even a normal smaller size build, there's always things that pop up, things that go wrong, parts that might get stressful. But with this project, what was so unique is everyone involved is a business owner and someone who is a very talented water feature builder who's been doing this for years and years. So things may have popped up, but I can't even think of an exact situation because everyone is able to just pivot, change direction, keep a positive attitude, and not skip a beat, no matter what. This build kept moving forward and awesomeness just kept happening. So I don't think there was one day or one event that was stressful or didn't go the way we wanted to. So on a build like this, this was a travel project for everybody involved. Even the guys from Missouri, they had like a 3-hour drive just to get to the job site. So this wasn't close to anybody. So a project like this takes a lot of planning and preparation, especially on Brian's part, since he was the one who designed and sold this project. This was a conversation that happened over many years before we even got to the backyard. There were many trips where he had to go and paint things out on the ground, look at schematics, because not only was the water feature being built, the house was being constructed, the well was going in, the electricians were there putting in all sorts of underground utilities, the septic system was going in, landscaping, there was stuff happening everywhere. And a lot of the things that are going to be at this finished home aren't even happening yet. So we had to make sure we weren't going into other people's space where like the pool or the hot tub was gonna go. So there were a lot of moving parts. And on top of that, this was a travel project, so none of us lived close. We had to bring in all of the materials. The rock came from Oklahoma. All the product came from Illinois, and the team, the guys working on the project came from all over the country, even down to the rakes and the shovels. We had to bring those in. So there were a lot of moving parts to this. This project took an exorbitant amount of material. I don't even know every square inch of liner and pipe and all the things like that that went into this project. Just to put it into perspective, there was 400 tons of boulder. That is, when you looked down around the property, it looked like acres of just boulders spread out for us to choose from. This was an insane undertaking.